Uhlelo lokukhishwa kwamathenda ezivikeli zeCovid-19 ludale ukuxokozela emphakathini. Imbangela izinsolo ezithi kuhlomule abasondelene nosombusazwe kulamathenda. Kuhlaluke nokuthi izindawo zokucima ukoma, ezokugeza imoto kanye nezinkampani ezihlela imicimbi ngezinye zezinkampani ezihlinzeka ngezivikeli zeCovid-19.
They give their friends because of that's how they want money to be spent. The money should circulate amongst them, should not be saved towards the community as it's supposed to be saved.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe afuna izinhlaka zezomthetho zisukumele lezi zinsolo.
We knew that issue of the PPEs is going to be the way how they are going to steal.
It cannot be right for citizens of this country or media to discriminate against them because they are sons of leaders of the ANC.
Isitatimendeni esikhishwe uphiko oluphenya amacala abucayi eSIU iphenya izivumelwano ezibalelwa emakhulwini angama-50 ibalelwa kumabhiliyoni amahlanu imali kahulumeni yamaniswa nalezi inkampani emzamweni yokulwa nalolu bhubhane. Ihhovisi likaMgcinimafa esifundazweni lithi nalo liqhuba uphenyo lwangaphakathi mayelana nalamathenda eCovid-19.